Good evening, Austin here. So it's a bit more work on the pump trolley to get it complete. Not far off now. I've had to wait for a few parts. I'm not desperately waiting to get it done, so there's no rush, but it's nice to get something done in a leisurely manner. But I've just marked out the dimensions for my electronic flow controller. Nice and rectangular. So as you can see on my box, I've divided my box so I have my center mark, and I've then grid squared it off. Red areas are the actual screws for the lid, so that's a no cut area. But I've got the screen for the 3-digit display centralized. So I've drawn around it exactly. That's the inner dimensions. So when I cut a hole and poke it in, it's going to stay in there. It's not going to fall through. But a good tip when cutting ABS or plastic enclosure boxes is just take your time. You know, you can use a jigsaw, but with a jigsaw you're going to get a lot of vibration, and you're not going to be able to, unless you can control it 100%, then you might get a good job. But if you slip and you go outside of your line, you then end up with a box that looks quite crap, to be honest. So mark it out. The best thing you can do, use a Stanley knife and just some sweeps with a blade, and you know, just like that. Magic, hey? A very clean cut rectangle. No swarf, perfectly clean cut, and that's just with a few passes with a Stanley knife. Top tip of the evening.